Our first item is vacuum clamps, and this is probably one of the most popular tools that we have that really suck, and that's just the way it is.
Of course.
But anyway, this is a single-sided vac clamp, and this is a double-sided vac clamp. This one is designed to be fixed on a board and used in a vertical or horizontal position. This one is got a vacuum on both sides, and it can be sucked down to one product and then another product put on top of it to hold. So it could go on a spoil board on a CNC, moved around very easily, or this could be bolted onto a CNC or a workbench or any flat non-porous surface for routing, sanding, drilling, whatever. Great product. They work on what's called a venturi, so you don't need a vacuum pump. So you just apply compressed air to it. It shoots air through a chamber and blows air out this little hole, and while it's doing that, it's sucking air in through this other hole, which creates the vacuum.
Okay.
And it works on as little as 1 CFM of air, so it can run off the smallest compressors. Let's just show you what one looks like. We're going to go ahead and stand this in this MC Woodworking machinery table. This is a clamping device on this table. I know we've shown this table goes up and down a lot, but we've not shown the clamping system yet, and this holds it nice and tight. This is in a vertical position. We've got air hooked to this line, and this is a lever valve. So you simply turn that on. You can now hear the air blowing out of here. This is applied to that surface till it's held, and it's held tight. So now you could file this, you could sand on it, drill holes in it, whatever you want to do. If you're working on solid surface, I'm not sure exactly what you're going to need in a vertical position. You may know more than I, but if you're in a horizontal position, you could be routing backsplashes, things like that. One nice feature to these is that you can hook several of these up in series. So if you needed to hold big boards, let's say your application was a flat panel, you could mount a couple of these to a flat surface, have it running, bring your flat panel up, hold it right to it, and then go ahead and do the work that you wanted to do. Okay? So that's the single side. This can be used mounted to a board that's portable or mounted to a table, workbench permanently. Okay? So go ahead and release the pressure on this.
Because of the limited demand on air, easy to take to the field.
That's correct, exactly. Also, another feature on all of these is that this just has a rubber gasket in it, and you can actually, if you need to hold a smaller board, you can put this in a different shape, and you can put this into any one of these shapes as long as this hole right here is within that area to create the vacuum. So if you're doing little tiny parts, you can do it in a small square, or if you're doing long thin parts, you can put it in there, so you can pretty much hold just about anything on this.
So that would be great for if somebody were an artist, let's say, even holding things for carving.
Oh, absolutely.
You could fix it in and you could work from a carving base, and that will hold. So once again, the application is just myriad for something like that.
Or this could actually hold a bracket that holds something else that you're working on just the same. Okay?